In this video, I'll show you how to use instant voice cloning in ElevenLabs. First, open ElevenLabs and log in to your account. Look for the voice section where you can add or create a voice. From there, choose the option for voice cloning if it's available on your account. Instant voice cloning allows you to create a voice model from a short recording. Before uploading anything, make sure you have the necessary permission to clone the voice you're using. Next, prepare a clean audio sample. A recording with clear speech and minimal background noise will generally provide better results. Upload the audio sample and follow the instructions shown by ElevenLabs. Give your new voice a recognizable name so you can easily find it later. After the voice has been created, select it from your voice library and open the text-to-speech tool. Enter a short test sentence and generate the audio. Listen carefully to the result. Check whether the voice sounds natural and whether the pronunciation and speaking style are suitable for your project. If everything sounds good, you can use the cloned voice for your supported voice generation projects. Remember that voice cloning should always be used responsibly and only with appropriate authorization. And that's the basic process for using instant voice cloning in ElevenLabs.